Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Megha's English Galaxy. My name is Megha and today is the first day of my 60 days English speaking challenge. In today's video, I am going to give my introduction in English because I believe that everyone should know how to introduce themselves in English. So if you are a beginner, feel shy while speaking English, you can join me in this challenge. So let's start. So my name is Megha, as I already told you. I hail from Uttarakhand but currently I belong to Haryana as I got married into a Haryanvi family. Right now I am living in Delhi. I completed my Bachelor of Science from Delhi University, and after graduation I started preparing for various government competitive examinations like SSC and banking. During my preparation phase, my grammar became quite good. But you know what? I wasn't confident in speaking. I always wanted to improve my communication skills, but as you all know that government exam preparation is quite hectic and time consuming, so I couldn't give enough time to my speaking practice. Apart from that, I have qualified the written examinations of several government exams. I got selected for SSC stenographer, but I couldn't join the job due to personal and family reasons. Later, I joined National Council for Teacher Education, where I worked for about 2 years. During this time, I realized that I'm not meant for a job, and family responsibilities were also one of the reasons, so I decided to quit. After that, I decided to do something of my own. Currently, I work as a tuition teacher and I also run this YouTube channel Megha's English Galaxy. I am actively working on my communication skills with the goal of providing online tuition in the future and helping learners across the country improve their English and communication skills. So this is my journey so far, and this is the direction I am moving towards. So that's all about me. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel Megha's English Galaxy. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next practice video.